Stay away from the monkeys. That's exactly what you have to do if you're coming to Da Nang. Because these guys, if you're not careful, will steal your phone, they will steal your camera, they will steal your jewelry. So you have to be very careful not to get close to them. Otherwise, they might even bite you in trying to get a banana in return for your stolen item. So please make sure that if you're around them, you're not too close to them so that they can't steal your stuff. And if they are near you, just be extremely careful with your stuff. Otherwise, if they steal them, I'm not sure if you're gonna get your stuff back because they could just escape into the jungle. So that's my travel tip advice for today. Monkeys.